How you feel about M&M World? Look at
It's like all rearranged, so totally different, and I'm loving it.
That's your person right there.
I know.
How good you
This is karma.
We're doing it again. Acting up.
You got a bag up. Yeah. Yeah. Well, no, I don't. I don't want none.
Oh, what was that? Why didn't you want
It's
that?
more expensive than outside.
Are you gonna touch it?
DJ.
Are you gonna touch it? $10 for a personalized mug.
They don't have Lenore.
They don't have who?
They don't have Lenore. They don't have my name. They don't have Queen. Oh. Woo!
The top is up here. Why don't you pose with it?
It's one of those homemade made out of all the wrappers. So this is all a history of what they look like.
Oh, that's what this is, man?
Yeah, it is. All what they look like until now. The history of it. It tells you each year. Oh, I love these colors. Man, I'm a queen. Why gonna buy this though? He gonna buy this for his auntie. Oh, that's cute. These 4 these for $35. And now we're getting ready to go to the amazing self-clearing home and baking accessory. Character photo experience. I don't see the movie.
You don't see who?
The movie.
Where you in the movie?
Yeah, in that movie, I don't see it.
Good afternoon, M&M World shoppers. Welcome to all 4 floors of the adventure here at M&M World Las Vegas, where you'll always find something new and exciting on every floor.
I can't see how much it is.
That would be $20, $19.95.
It's not bad.
You eat the M&Ms.
Purple.
Probably could open up and put your own in there. Not gonna play the M&M mobile game?
Now I'm here. Am I supposed to scan it?
They want you to download it on Google Play or App Store. You gotta pop. You really took your phone out? You all you gotta do is look up M&M Adventure. Oh, so you really want to get the M&M game?
This one I thought I could do. And it's installed.
It's not going. It's not going.
M&M World in Las Vegas.
M&M World.
Yay! We're having a good time.
Yo. L&L. Uh-huh.